What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best wall-mounted bottle openers in 2021. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5 on our list, we have the wall-mounted bottle opener Rustic Farmhouse Cast Iron. If you need a bottle opener that would save you from the stress of recurrent replacement, then here is the product for you. It is powerful and is easily mountable for everyday use. Twine ties everything together with one-of-a-kind, long-lasting goods that are inspired by traditional and old styles and give kitchen and bar accessories a rustic twist. This garage door opener is simple to set up. It's substantial and hefty. It's far more convenient to have one on the wall than to continually search for a portable one. This rustic farmhouse bottle opener will add a rustic touch to your kitchen or home bar. It features a fake rusty iron finish and an easy open construction, combining style and convenience. It's manufactured of wrought iron and comes with all the hardware you'll need to install it on the wall. It easily accommodates all standard size bottles and opens them in one smooth stroke. This item is composed of long-lasting materials that are excellent for everyday usage. Small designs are ideal for prime pantries, kitchen drawers, bar carts, at-home bars and liquor cabinets, and even in pockets. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 4 on our list, we have the beer bottle opener wall-mounted with magnetic cap catcher. It offers a lot of different mounting possibilities, which makes it a lot of fun to use. It comes with heavy-duty screws that anchor it to the wall and keep it from dropping. This item is for sale. This product is made of superior stainless steel and is suitable for both outdoor and indoor use. The powerful neodymium magnet is built to last a lifetime of cap retrieval. Its one-of-a-kind design allows for a wide range of mounting possibilities. The simple and tidy installation will allow you to quickly get the party started. It is certain to make a big impression on everyone. With a good attitude, this excellent piece of gear will mark its territory and the heart of its receiver. 3 premium sturdy screws, a strong magnet bottle tops catcher, and a wall mount bottle opener. The packaging is a beautiful gift-ready box, which makes for a stunning display for a memorable gift. At number 3 on our list, we have the Tablecraft Coca-Cola wall mount bottle opener. Bring the classic, retro flair of Coca-Cola to your kitchen or dinner table with Tablecraft. From bottle openers to snack buckets, wall decor to napkin dispensers, we have all the iconic designs of Coca-Cola to add a pop of color and a touch of nostalgia to your next gathering. Movie night or dinner with family and friends. Enjoy with an ice-cold Coke. This product is straightforward to mount on your wall. Once it's mounted, you will enjoy fantastic service for years as it is reliable and sturdy. At number 2 on our list, we have the wall-mounted bottle opener. Forget about the strewn about the floor caps. Thanks to strong magnets, the MagCap magnetic wall-mounted bottle opener grabs the cap as soon as you open your bottle. With a twist on an old-school opening, the MagCap magnetic wall-mounted bottle opener is as suitable for your patio as it is for all your inside cool zones, thanks to its rust-proof, universal design. Never again will you have to be concerned about spills or rain. You only need 2 screws to get started. It only takes a minute to install the MagCap magnetic wall-mounted bottle opener. There's even matching hardware. The MagCap magnetic wall-mounted bottle opener is absolutely unbreakable, and it can withstand all the roughhousing of a raucous weekend just as well as your calm weekday evenings. You'll use it for the rest of your life. And finally, at number 1 on our list, we have the Orblu wall-mounted bartender's bottle opener. When you have a tool like this, you are really in for a lot of satisfaction due to its durability. It comes in a set of 2, so it can be mounted in 2 locations. It is a perfect gift for soda and beer lovers. Heavy-duty cap remover is designed to let you pop beer and soda caps off with the quick twist of one hand. Makes a great gift for home brew connoisseurs. Get a kit of two, one for your kitchen and another for your backyard or bar, so you can have it handy wherever you most need it. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.